Hi, yes. Here's a tutorial for using Roku television in the bedroom. To turn on the TV and Roku, you press the power button, the red button right there. It is not on the correct HDMI. That probably will happen quite frequently. So I pressed the wrong button. So I'm gonna have to go, I'm glad this happened. I'm gonna have to go to this, tell it yes, I want to check my inputs. Actually, I don't. I want to go to the home button. It's kind of hard to see the home button right now. There it is. This one is on HDMI 1, Roku is, so it should come up now. There's your Roku on HDMI 1. It's in the guest mode, so you can watch live television or connect to any of your favorite streaming services. When you leave, since it's in guest mode, it will automatically log you out, and you don't have to worry about doing that because I always forget myself. I hope these help you all, and I'm sorry that this happened to the television. I know it adds another layer of complexity to it. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and we can FaceTime and I can talk you through it. But I'm hoping these videos help a little bit. Thanks. Bye.